All right, hello. I hope everybody is well and you're not going too stir crazy. I just wanted to basically say hello and then also talk about how we're moving forward for the next 2 weeks. So, first of all, AP exams have not been canceled. They are still holding an exam. And basically they're going to change the formatting of the exam. So instead of there being a multiple choice and then an FRQ section, it will be only FRQ section. So we're going to have a 45-minute FRQ test. Now they haven't released the actual testing dates yet, and I do know that it will be online no matter what. If the school is open, I'm pretty sure what they're going to do is they're going to proctor the exam at the school. In front of a computer though. So it's still going to be online. It just depends on whether the school is going to be open as to where you're going to be taking the exam. So it's an FRQ exam only. FRQs, they have taken out the last 2 units. Now I teach it slightly differently than they do, but really they took out electrochem. Now redox is still considered to be part of the curriculum that they're going to be testing. So there's redox, but electrochem, it looks like it's out. Now, the good news is I've pretty much taught everything that you need to know for the exam, except for the one little thing that I didn't teach for acids and bases, which is KSP. So I have uploaded all the KSP videos. It's on YouTube, but I am going to require that you watch those, and you're going to use PlayPosit to do that. So make sure that you have a PlayPosit account. I have instructions to make an account if you don't have one, but you should because we've been using it throughout the school year. So make sure that you have that PlayPosit account. Now I did assign some videos before spring break. The first video, I'm going to go ahead and say I'd still like you to watch it. It's the one on redox reactions because that's still in. So I do want you to make sure that you've gone and watch that. I've given you guys an extension on that. So basically, when you're looking for stuff that needs to be done, if you go to your Schoology account, I sent out a schedule. So this is the schedule for the next couple of weeks. Okay, and it just kind of outlines what I kind of expect from you for the next couple of weeks. So some of the things that I would like you to do, you should already have a PlayPosit account because we've been using it, but go ahead and get a Zoom account because I have a feeling that Schoology is going to be crashing. So I just want to have backup plans set in place. So go ahead and get a Zoom account just in case. So most of the things that you're going to find are still going to be on my website, kilpatrickscience.com. But I'm trying to post things in Schoology and then also Kilpatrick Science. Now, quizzes and things like that, I'm going to go ahead and post in Schoology. So if it's a quiz in Schoology and if it's on PlayPosit, I'm going to say those are required for you to do. Everything else I'm going to say is optional. So when you go to my website, okay, you're going to notice a couple of links on the side that are new. So this link right here will bring you to a document to troubleshoot PlayPosit. Okay, so if you go to that document, it tells you how to fix things. If PlayPosit's not working, make sure that you're using Google Chrome. Okay, if that's still not working, did you update Google Chrome? If you're still having problems, you might need to clear your cache. And then enable your cookies in Chrome. So there are instructions on how to do that as well. So go through those things. If none of those things are working, then contact me. Now, the other things that you'll notice. So there's a calendar for live sessions. So if you go to that calendar, and right now this is just what I have. This may change. I would like you to come to at least 1 live session. Right now I've got 3 scheduled per week, but I might add another. Right now I'm going to leave it with 3, but probably a week after I will add another one. So if you click on one of these links and then click on more details, okay, you'll see it says join Hangouts. And then what you'll do is you'll go to a Google Hangout, and then you'll hit join, and then this is how we're going to try to conference. So I know a lot of people are using Schoology. Like I said, I really think it's going to crash, but we're going to try to use this. So I'd really like you to try to pop in Monday evening, I think that's the first one, just to kind of say hello, and then also see how this works, make sure we know how to work it, and then if there's an issue with so many people on it. So I just want to kind of troubleshoot. So if you can, pop in and say hello on Monday evening. Now, what else is different on the website? So if you go to the website, you'll also see a link that says book appointment. So if you go to that link and then you go here and then you just go to my name, there's nothing showing up today, but basically what you'll be able to do is book an appointment if you need to talk to me personally about something, or you need me to like walk you through something. So you don't think that the live session is going to help, or you don't think that an email is going to be sufficient, then you can do this. But I strongly encourage you to just shoot me an email or shoot me a text message through Remind, because that's probably going to be the quickest thing you can do. But if when you're booking an appointment, it'll look like something like this. So you can just select the time, and then you're going to put in some information and then give me a way to contact you. But I will try to just text you through Remind that day to tell you how to get in touch. Like, so if I have a Zoom, how to get into that, or a Google Hangout, probably a Google Hangout. All right, so if you go to our website, and remember, there is a password and a username. It's APChem15, chemistry with a Y in the middle, so CHEMYSTRY. Now, if you go to this link right here, okay, I do have some extra videos on redox reactions. I think I also have a worksheet, and if you look at the calendar, it tells you which one you can pull if you need some extra practice for redox. And then for KSP, okay, I put all the video links here, but remember, I'm going to require that you watch these, so make sure you log in through Play Pose It. Now, these are the optional worksheets. So I have a KSP worksheets, very good. I also have some KSP FRQs, okay? Remember, our test now is going to be FRQ only. So I have some FRQs, I have the answer keys. You need to make sure that you're working on those. And then use the suggested timeline that I'm giving you. That way, if you have questions, you can always pop in on one of the live sessions and ask those questions. All right, so I don't think there was anything else that I really needed to cover right now. I just wanted to say hello, and then also, if you need anything, send me an email or text me through Remind, and I will be in touch, and I hope to see some of you guys on Monday evening. Okay?